Hey, I'm Fish. I'm with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, and we're riding along. We're with the e-bike, fully charged. We'll get to where we need to be at, and off we go. Two and a half feet from the camera, not touching it. Allow it to breathe. I got about 4 bars out of pedal just up the hill. And let's go see the horse. The horse is out. 2 horses are out. One in the background. Now this place is called Fort Tilden. Yes, indeed. It's a shot for a photo. We'll exit on out of here down this road and head to the beach. All right, we'll ride on down to the beach, which we're here. We'll get some shots for you. We're taking a video to the sun. We'll let it run for a minute. And we'll see if there's any exposure breathing. 4K, 30 frames per second, EV on the 0.7 negative side, with the shutter speed 1/200 over 8,000, sharpness or texture -2, video noise -1, white balance 5300 manual, ISO 100 through 12,600 is it? Minimum to maximum. And there you go. The same shot, we'll let it play for a minute. The sun is behind. The same settings, nothing changed. And it'll give you the idea of the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Debuted it out. No one shows the breathing issues at all. Could it been involved with newer firmware when the camera came out that it came about? Or was it in the camera and nobody just has not noticed it, and they have set their cameras up to a proper setting that they will not share to the world. I don't know. Maybe you do. So let's now change our settings. I don't know what I can do. I know what I can do, but I can't do it here. It's hook my camera up to a laptop and use the web camera and see if we focus hunt. That's the breathing. I just called it focus hunt. Breathing, in and out exposure. If with the laptop on web camera in the sun, outdoors, does not breathe, then we know we got an issue. What I do want to try, put it on time lapse again. Let it play out for what? A minute's time? And see if it breathes in and out. That is something interesting. And I am going to walk into the camera like so. And then I'm going to walk away from the camera like so. But I have to do it real slow on a time lapse. And do it 0.5 seconds and let it run for a good minute or two. Let's get that going for you. I have tried just about everything that you can do imaginable except the live stream and webcam. I was laughing because we were talking when the people tried to avoid the camera and the girl just went right in front. I don't mind. It is what it is, man. And here is subject tracking 6x9. If I just simply come out of the picture and let the camera track me, does the camera breathe?
Yeah.
If I get close to the camera, will it start to breathe and pick up?
I mean, I understand that part.
That's the thing.
Sucks.
You have to make that decision for
With all
yourself.
these savages.
Breathing, spiking, exposure may be a problem. Really is. We know if you come too close to the camera, it breathes. I gotta change my screen. I'm not sure if 4x3 is a full screen. It is what it is, man. I'm in the sun. I'm gonna turn around, face it away from the sun. Yeah, you're recording. I just don't feel the vibration as much. I should head down towards the sand, the beach, and get those shots. I don't want to be quiet and give you silent shots. Not what I do. I talk so you get an idea. In any of the pictures, did it work out for you? I think I am going to go down to the beach now and get some wave shots. Let's get on going. I did everything I need to do. I got enough juice to get home. That's all I can say. Yeah, we looked at these birds before with the orange beaks. I'm going to switch off my microphone. The natural sounds of the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Let's put our camera down and just capture the shots. would take a shell like this and I would throw it out and go like that. Let me see if I still got that. All right, here I go. Taking the shell. All right, I still got that, man. Puts a smile on my face. All right, I did what I had to do, share what I had to share. Showed the moment. The camera did get not wet. I'm sinking in the ground. Let me get on going. Head on back. I'm gonna use what I didn't use before, but I did videos before. Hyperlapse. Would hyperlapse ruin your shot? Breathing. Everything in life's gotta breathe, right? Let me get off this sand, clean up, and we'll just throttle on out of here in hyperlapse. I had a good time. I had a good talk, a good share. I got the clock in the picture, and you got clouds behind that are soft, a little blurry. Well, I want to set up my hyperlapse. I know I got real time. I won't be able to see the screen or touch the screen while riding. I'm gonna have a lot of shakes. I want to make sure my camera is not gonna go down on me like it did before. I really cranked down hard. I think I'm wearing out the either the Olanzi MT08 or the actual magnetic mount. It is what it is, man. Let's get on out of here. Well, that's the ride for today. I had a good time, breathing, doing a great job. Still gonna make me go get an Insta360 Ace Pro 2 because of that. Have a great one, and I'll catch you on the next video to come. Have a great day.